What's up gamers? This is Ben from ROG. Today I'm glad to present our new 65% wireless mechanical keyboard, the ROG Falchion. Equipped with Cherry MX RGB switches, the ROG Falchion comes with a clean and neat 65% form factor design with dedicated arrow keys and function keys for productivity. The Falchion is loaded with the new ROG PBT double shot keycaps, providing great durability that reduces surface wear and also features better clicks and stability. This translucent cover case is just like a sheet for ROG Falchion. It protects your keycaps when you're on the go. Also, you can place the cover under the keyboard as a case, providing a different fuzzy lighting effect. The ROG Falchion features gaming-grade RF 2.4 GHz connectivity with almost no latency. It can also stay up to 400 hours of continuous battery life. The Falchion also supports wireless Aura Sync, providing you an epic lighting experience. The keyboard features an interactive touch panel, providing a real-time control possibilities such as volume adjustments, macros, or even shortcuts. The RGB LEDs built inside also work as a smart battery indicator. The ROG Falchion is not just an ordinary compact keyboard, but a combination of intricate and innovative engineering. If you love a minimalistic setup, the ROG Falchion is the perfect keyboard for you. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.